Dear sisters and brothers of my YouTube family, today we're going to look at the meaning of this word and an example with grammar. The word is bizarre. Bizarre. Bizarre means awkward. Synonyms of bizarre are freakish, ridiculous. Example: a case so bizarre it took over his life. A case so bizarre it took over his life. Here bizarre is an adjective. An adjective is one of the 8 parts of speech. Adjectives provide further information about a noun. Specifically, they explain more about a noun's size, shape, age, color, origin, or material. Example: it's a lovely table. Did you see how big that dog was? Thanks for watching. I will be back with another video. Bye!